So good day mga ka-ML Auto Deals, meron tayong bagong arrival na Mitsubishi Adventure GLS Super Sports top of the line. So exterior wise, napakakinis ng ating pintura, very presentable, acquired from first owner po ito mga boss. Naka-tinted windows na nga po pala siya. Ating sidings, naka-wood panel po ang ating unit dahil ito po ay top of the line. Okay, CD stereo in dash, 5-speed manual transmission, power steering, power side mirror, and of course power windows. So 145,000 on the clock only. Walang kapunit-punit ang ating seat as ceiling. Okay, so mapapansin nyo, napaka presentable ng ating unit. Makakapal po ang ating mga gulong including the spare tire. Okay, pasok tayo sa ating third row seats mga ka-Auto Deals, no? Ayun, no, ang ating third row seats, walang ka-damage including the ceiling. Cool dual aircon, napakalamig po ng aircon nito. Okay, so ang capacity po dito ay 10 to 12 seater. Good for family, business, and of course personal use, no? Okay, so silipin natin ang other side ng ating front seats. Okay, ayan yung ating sidings. Napakalinis, napakasariwa ng unit na to. So swerte po makakabili nito mga kaboss, no? Ito ay gagamitin na lang. So of course meron tayong issue lang na scratches, normal naman po sa ating second hand. So ito ang ating engine, pasilip ko sa inyo, napaka healthy ng engine, no? So maganda ang cooling system at one click start ang ating unit. Brand new Enduro Motolite battery. So kung interesado kayo, just leave us a message at we are located at Binyan City, Laguna.